Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We've got a kind of tutorial and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are giving away the Juvia's Place Olori 3 palette. This one here is mine. I've got a brand new one for you. A bunch of giveaways are already going. Check those out in the description box down below. Giveaways really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do a lot here. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings, and we are so close to hitting that 1,700 subscriber. When we do, there's a big giveaway for that. It's already filmed. We just got to hit it, and I will put it up. There will be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. It'll be somewhere in this video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about this palette, do a couple swatches, do two looks, and let you know my final thoughts and kind of, you know, what you need to do for the giveaway. So this is the Olori 3 palette. This is mine. Like I said, I have a brand new one for you. Kind of looks like this. I absolutely love the browns and the corals with that pop-up blue. Now you could easily do everyday looks, throw in a little bit of pop of color if you want to, and just have fun with it. It does retail for $15. So let's do a couple swatches and then we'll get into the two different looks. So let's start with this coral. Then let's do this blue. The blue is a shimmer. So these two center shades are shimmers, everything else is a matte. Now one thing I did notice, and you'll kind of notice a little bit here, when that blue fades into that coral, it does create kind of a pinky shimmer. Especially does it on this other side where I am going to put this pink on the other side of that blue, and you'll really see it then. It's like almost like a light purple. Let's do this really kind of copper shimmer. It's so pretty. And let's do that dark chocolate brown matte. There you've got the 6 shades. Okay, let's get into the looks. So I think I'm going to go over kind of a neutral brown look today, mainly using this bottom row right here. So let's go into that crease first. Let's do that rough. It is on a rougher 01. All I'm doing right now is just kind of patting it in. Now let's go into that lighter shade and go right above it, just on a Lexi 131 mini angled brush. I'm coming down onto what we already did because that'll help it all kind of blend together. Now let's work on that blend a little bit. Just holding the back of the brush, just small circular strokes. Now I'll take this one here all over the lid. I'm going to wet my brush to start off with. I like using a flat brush first so that way I can get into those inner corners where like my fingers can't reach. And then I can use my fingers for that center part and really bring that to life. You can see the difference here. This one is just with the flat brush, and this one I have used my fingers on. You can totally tell a big difference in the shine factor. You want to deepen up that outer corner just a little bit more. I feel like we lost a little bit of that. Just to add some dimension. And I do want to tightline this one on the lower lash just a little bit, starting mainly with that outer corner and then working my way in. Let's buff that out just a little bit with this one. Just very, very lightly. Okay, let me go put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. A little choppy of the hair. So I think what I'm going to do is mainly use this upper row today. So I want to go in here and go into the crease first. And just like pack and then a little swoop. Do the outer corner. Now I want to blend that just a little bit. I want to try and get right up in that crease a little bit. Now it's going to go above everything we just did with this one here. It kind of helps with the blend as well. Spray a little packer brush, and I'm first gonna go into the blue with the packer brush, and then I'm gonna use my finger at the end. So just take this here, especially want to get in the inner corner where my fingers won't reach. There is some fallout with this one. Let's use our finger and just kind of do a tap, tap, tap. And then lightly just kind of blend those outer part together. I really like how it's on this blended on this outer part. It really makes almost look like the shimmer turn pink instead of, where here it looks a little more of an orange tone, but it's really makes it turn pink a little bit. So I want to take this one kind of all over that lower lash line just a little bit, connect the two. And let's tight line this orange on the outer corner. Bring in a little bit. And I want to take that blue on the very inner corner. Kind of get in that tear duct as well. And bring that out just a little bit. Pretty. Okay, let me go do the other eye really quick. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So which of the looks were your favorites? I'm a little partial to this one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Of course, there's more looks you can do. I think that these browns with a little bit of blue would look really, really good too. So this is the eyeshadow palette that we are doing for the month of August. So August, this time of year, is always a good month for me and not so quite good month. My 15-year wedding anniversary is next week, and then that's great. But the kind of not so great part is that my son leaves and he goes to college, and he'll leave next week because he has to go up there a little early because he's a cross-country and track runner. And so it's a little sad. Secret word for this giveaway is anniversary. What do I think? I think it can make a cute little travel palette. I think, like I said earlier, you can do obviously everyday looks with this. Have fun with a little pop of color. Like all the Juvia's Place formula, you know, they lasted all day. They're easily blendable. The two things that I will mention, make sure to knock off any brush, especially with this blue. It does tend to have some fallout. And then make sure to really blend with this dark brown, or it can be a little patchy. But it's not too bad. You just kind of have to work with it a little bit. So I do really like it, and I'm happy to give a brand new one of these to one of you. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry things, how to get bonus entries. So how you get bonus entries is one way is to go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And your third way is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. Like I said, we're so close to that 1,700 subscriber. I've already started putting some big stuff aside for when we hit that 2,001. So help us out on that if you can. I really appreciate it when you do that. So if you did do the bonus entries, make sure to mark on the form. Do not mark on the form if you did not do them, and because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten your day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through August 9th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on August 14th, what we'll do is I'll take the first name, first initial of your last name, put that into my computer. The computer spins it around so everybody sees what's going on. And if you have bonus entries and everything looks good, I'll put those into the computer as well. Computer spins everything around, computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. And your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I am the only one that has access to it. As soon as I mail out the prizes, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Try and stay out of this heat. And I will see you soon. Bye.